Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the seventh video in my All About SDLC software development lifecycle series. In the previous video, we learned about UI or web designing, how designers create every page of the software using tools like Figma and PixArt, and how the design document is prepared. Now, once the designing phase is completed, we move to the next two stages of the waterfall model, that is the software development and the software testing. Now we will going to see the software development. But at the time of designing, by collecting all the designs in one document, the designing document is created. That designing document and the SRS document, that is software requirement specification document, are handed over to the developer team. Now, design document plus SRS document is handed over to the developer team. The developer team usually consists of junior developers, senior developers, and freshers. The developer team consists of senior developer, junior developer, and fresher. And there is one developer lead who guides the entire team of the development. Now, the developers carefully go through the SRS document and the design document to understand what needs to be built. Based on that, they start writing code. Developers write, developers start writing code. That code is called as a source code. The code written by the developer is called as a source code. So, in this place, the main task is to write, compile, and build the software according to the client's requirements mentioned in the SRS document. Once the developers complete the coding, the software product is ready. But before giving it to the client, it must be tested properly to ensure quality and correctness. Now comes the role of the test engineers or the um, quality assurance team. The developed software is handed over to the developed software is handed over to the testing team. The testers or the test engineers verify the software by referring to the SRS document. Verifies the software by referring SRS document. They check whether the software is working as per the requirements defined by the client, because SRS document is software requirement specification. In that document, the client's requirement for the project is stored. By referring that document, tester will test whether the software which is developed by the development team is it as per the requirement of the client. In this phase, the testers perform various types of testing to find bugs or errors or mismatches between the expected output and the actual output. The main goal of the testing phase is to ensure software quality, performance, and reliability before it reaches the client. Once the testing is successfully completed and the software passes all the test cases, it becomes ready for the deployment and release. After verifying the software or the testing of the software is done, then the software is released to the customer. Now I'm explaining all these things in short. After the designing, the next phase is the software development. In the software development, the developer start writing the code. That code is called as a source code by referring the designing document and the SRS document. The designing document consists of all the designs, and the SRS document consists of the client's requirements. After writing the code, the software is ready. The software developed by the development team will be passed to the testing team. Now, the testing team verifies the software by referring the SRS document. That means testers will check whether the software developed by the development team is it as per the requirement of the SRS document, that is as per the client's requirements. So after all the testing processes are done, that the software go into the deployment phase, that we will see in the next video. That's all for today's video. In the next video, we will move the deployment phase. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.